Shazo container sets. Organize your pantry with style. This 26 container set includes 6 different volumes of containers with 26 interchangeable lids, ensuring you always have the perfect storage option for your needs. Each clear container has graduated markings, making it easy to quickly identify and measure the contents, and can be sealed airtight. They are also dishwasher safe and made from 100% BPA-free materials. The slim, modular design is perfect for stacking and will save space in any sized kitchen. Easily label your containers using the included high-quality waterproof vinyl labels and marker. Along with the 26 containers, this set includes Shazo's ultimate measuring cup and spoon set. The 26-piece set is an all-inclusive measuring collection for your baking and kitchen needs. For yourself or as a gift, this set is the ideal addition to the kitchen. Shazo containers are the perfect solution to any pantry.